Now, in addition to using and modifying built-in styles, we often want to create our own styles, so it makes it easy for people to format a document quickly. One thing that people tend to struggle with is bullets and numbering, so I often create a style for the type of bullet they would use in this particular document. To create a new style, I'm just going to sit on a paragraph that has the normal style applied. Then I'm going to click the New button, which you see at the bottom of the Style task pane. The New Style button will bring up this dialog box. It's at this point that you give the style a name, so I'm going to call it Tick Bullet. And I'm going to go one step further than just naming the style. In brackets, I'm actually going to tell the user what the shortcut key is if they want to apply the style using a shortcut key. So I'm going to put Control-Alt-T for tick. I tend to stay away from Control-A to Z because they've already been used by Microsoft Word. And if you were to use, say, Control-T, which is already a hanging paragraph in Word, you'd lose the hanging paragraph. So try to find a key combination that you don't use. Now this style will apply itself to an entire paragraph, though sometimes when you're creating a style, just acknowledge that sometimes you only want to apply the style to a character and not an entire paragraph, or to a table, so you've got options in here. Also, the style is based on normal. Normal is Times New Roman 11 and justified. And I really want my tick bullet to be an extension of normal, so make sure normal is chosen here. And this option here, the style to follow, is when I press enter, do I want to go to a different style or stay with the same style? For example, when you make a heading 1, when you apply a heading 1 and you press enter, you tend to go back to normal. But in the case of the tick, I actually want it that when they press enter, it stays on the tick style. So I'm going to leave it at tick style. So we set these 4 options here. And now I'm going to go into format and I'm going to go into numbering. Now format and numbering is the old bullets and numbering. I'll then choose bullets at the top and I'll choose a tick bullet or any type of bullet for that matter. If what you want is not listed here, just go find it under Define New Bullet. But I'll grab the tick bullet and I'll click OK. Straight away I can see a preview with my tick applied. Now what I'm going to do is adjust the indentation. I'm not happy that it indents a little bit from the left. I want 0 indentation from the left so it lines up against the left margin. Anything to do with indentation is under Format Paragraph. Under Format Paragraph I'm going to set left to 0 so that my bullet is hard up against the left margin. And I'm going to set hanging to 1. And that'll create a 1 centimeter gap between the bullet and the text. And I'll choose OK. So now my bullet is starting to look really good. And now I want to assign a shortcut key combination to my style. So I'm going to go Format and I'm going to go Shortcut Key. Now the idea here is you click in the box that says Press New Shortcut Key. And you press the key combination you want to assign to that style. So I'm going to press Control-Alt-T. Now it actually tells me here that it's currently assigned to the trademark symbol. So if I was thinking I use the trademark symbol, then I would probably change my mind about using Alt-Control-T. You basically keep pressing Alt backspace a key sequence until you find a key sequence that's not been used. I might go no, I'm going to stick with Control-Alt-T. I actually don't use the trademark symbol that much, but you just choose what you want to assign. Having chosen a key combination I'm happy with, I'll click the Assign button. By hitting the Assign button, Alt-Control-T or Control-Alt-T will no longer insert the trademark symbol. Instead, it will apply the tick bullet style. So I'll go Close. If I then go OK, what I see in my Styles task pane is my tick bullet style, and the shortcut key is mentioned as Control-Alt-T. Now it's actually assigned it also automatically to the paragraph I was sitting on, and if I don't want that to be a tick bullet, I simply change it to normal. Now I'll go down and apply the tick bullet to things I do want to have that bullet. So I'm going down to this page here, which is page 4, I'm highlighting this list here, and I'll choose the tick bullet style. And immediately you can see it's formatted. I'll do the same to this list here. And so any paragraphs that you want to have that style, you simply choose them and apply the style. So you can create your own styles as well as modifying and using styles that already exist.